All right, so that looks good right there. So next what we're going to do is let's click on the button. So if you want to, you can click on the button and change the button text. So over here on the left, it says, yes, I want their free report. So if you're giving away a free video, then you'd want to say, yes, I want the free video, right? You can leave that as is. That's a great call to action. Another call to action that I use a lot is this right here. I'll say continue ... So let me show you what it looks like, just like that. See that? Continue ... So that works really well. I use that one a lot. How about sometimes what you can say is like, send me my free report. See that? So that's another call to action I use a lot. Let's save that so you can see how it looks right there. Send me my free report. So that looks really good. We can click on that. How about another call to action that I like to use is I like to do get instant access. Right? Get instant access is another really good one. Let's save it. See? Get instant access. So that's another really good one. Also, you can even say something like get immediate access. All right, you got the idea. But we're just going to stick with the default one for now. Yes, I want their free report. That works good. But I wanted to give you guys a few different options. Okay? And as you can see, this is the pop-up that is going to appear. If you guys want to change this text right here, fill out the form below to get exclusive access. If you want to change it, you can just switch it out right here. We're just asking for people's email address. That's fine. And then this thing says get instant access. Cool. So everything looks good here. So I'm just going to click save to save that. And right at the bottom, you're going to notice the copyright. So let's just change this copyright here. We're going to click on it. And then we're going to say copyright 2015, and then where it says your company name, well, let's switch that out. We're going to say dog training secrets. And then what you might want to do is you might want to put in your disclaimer, privacy policy, terms of services. That would be a good idea to put those links in right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save. And by the way, it's really easy to get that. If you wanted, I'd highly recommend that you create a privacy policy, terms of services page. And if you're not sure how to do that, let me just share with you a pro tip. Go to Google, just do a search for privacy policy generator, or you could even look up privacy policy template. Do a search for it, and look, you're going to see a whole bunch of websites here. Free privacy policy generator. Click on one of those, and really all you got to do is click the button, and you just fill out the details real quick, and they'll create a page for you. Okay, so I definitely recommend creating those pages and posting in the links right here. All right, so check it out, you guys. This is our squeeze page. It's really starting to come together now. Up at the top, if you guys want, you can click on the preview button to see it live and in action. So let's just click preview real quick. And here's our squeeze page. Very, very simple, but very clean. And let's just click the button here and see if that thing pops up. There. It looks like it's working, so that's awesome. I'd recommend, trying an email address to make sure that you get put on the list and that everything is working fine. Always a good idea to check it out first, okay? So yeah, this looks like it's working. Everything is set. So there it is, you guys. I mean, that's simple. We now have created a really awesome two-step squeeze page using Megaphone. So do you see why I like Megaphone? It's so simple and it's so easy, and they really got some really killer designs here. So if you guys want, you guys can use this link up at the top to start promoting your squeeze page. So I can copy this link right now, and this will take people to my squeeze page. So let's just check it out. Let's see if that link works. I'm going to go to it. And yeah, that looks like it's working. But here's the thing, you guys, and you might be looking at this right now and say, yeah, but this link is pretty ugly, right? You don't really want to make people type that thing in, or you don't want to use that. Well, hey, you don't have to. If you want to use your own domain name that we registered, well, we can set it up. Remember how we registered that top dog secrets website? Well, we could actually set up our squeeze page on that website. So let's go do that right now. So here's what I want you guys to do. Go to where it says publish settings. See it, top left-hand corner, publishing settings. Go ahead and click on that. So then that'll take you to this window right here. So you guys got a few different ways that you can promote it. I mean, you could just use this right here. You can start putting that up online and that will take people to your squeeze page. You can set up a redirect to take people to it. If you want to, you can click on this little button here. It says download page, and you can download your pages and upload it to your own server. And then that will put it on your own website. So that works. All right, so what we're going to do, though, is we're going to actually connect Megaphone to our brand new domain name that we just registered on GoDaddy. Only takes a second to do, so let's go do it right now. So I'm going to go over to GoDaddy.com. All right, so then as soon as you go over to GoDaddy, you'll probably see a screen that looks something like this. Then what I want you to do is go up to the top to where it says My Account. So go ahead and click on My Account. Now, if you don't see that, it may be because you're not logged in. So go ahead and log in first, and then you should see this. Then after you go to My Account, I want you to go over to the bottom left-hand side where it says Manage My Domains. See that? Manage My Domains. Go ahead and click on that. All right, so the next what you'll want to do is you'll want to go down to your domain. So as you can see right here, topdogsecrets.com. This is the domain name that I just registered. So go ahead and click on it. All right, so as soon as you click on that, that'll take you to this screen right here. So the next what I want you to do is scroll down. And you should see a spot near the bottom where it says CNAME. See that? CNAME. So to see right here where it says www, right there. So what I want you to do is select it. And then on the right hand side, you should see a button for edit record. So make sure you go down to CNAME, www, and then let's just click on edit record. All right, so underneath host, we're going to leave this at www. And right down here where it says points to, this is where I want you to go back over to Megaphone, and we're just going to grab this link right here. Do you see it? pages.megaph.com. pages.megaph.com. So let's copy that right there, and then let's go back to it, and we're just going to change this. Points to pages.megaph.com. All right, so then as soon as we put that in, go ahead and click on Finish. All right, you guys, so now that we've added that in, www, what I want you to do is go up to the top, and you see where it says Save Changes? Make sure to save changes before you move any further. So let's click on Save Changes. All right, perfect. So now it's loading it. That looks great. It's telling you up at the top that it may take 48 hours to update, but looks good. All right, so now you guys, the next step is we're going to head back over to Megaphone. And once you're here, what I want you to do is to put in your website name right here. So I'm just going to do www.topdogsecrets.com. All right, so we put in our website name right there. Then over here on the right where it says optional path. So this is going to be the name of our squeeze page. What do we want to call it? So what we could do is we could just call it something like free, or we could just say something like report, or we could say something like free report, or we could say something like 7 mistakes, right? You could call it whatever the heck you want to. Let's just roll with report. I like the sound of that, so let's just go to save. Perfect. So this thing is telling us that the update was successful, so let's save it. All right, so let's go check it out, you guys. Let's see if it works. So if I did things properly and it switched out already, it should make it so that way when I go to topdogsecrets.com/report, it should take people to my squeeze page. All right, perfect. So as you guys can see, my site is working now. I just went to the topdogsecrets.com/report, and it actually took me to this page. So that's how simple it is to set this up on your own domain name and integrate GoDaddy with Megaphone. All right. And if we go back over to Megaphone and you guys look at the address at the top, you'll notice that now it's changed. Now it's saying that the address is topdogsecrets.com/report. All right, so that's how simple it is to plug that in and get this page on a sexy domain. topdogsecrets.com/report. Now, hey, I will say something is that sometimes it does take Google anywhere from an hour all the way up to 48 hours in order to work properly. So if you go to your website right now and you try to go to it to see if it works, and if instead of seeing this, you see something like this, GoDaddy, hey, this is search for, you see something like this, which is basically a park domain. Don't worry, don't freak out. All what that means is that GoDaddy probably just hasn't updated yet. So sit tight, give it another hour or so, and the thing should be working fine for you. All right. So there it is, you guys. I mean, it looks like our squeeze page is working properly. What you may want to do is click the button on it, check out, give it a test, try doing a demo email address here, doggydan@gmail.com, and just see if everything's working correctly. So let's click on Get Instant Access. All right, so it looks like everything is working. As soon as I opted in with that email address, doggydan, it then sent people to topdogsecrets.com/thanks. Now, right now, this is giving us this 404 error because we haven't created the thank you page yet, right? But that's what we're going to do in one of the next videos. But it looks like it's working. That's a great sign. Also, what I recommend doing is check out your Aweber account and see if that's working. See if it's showing you that you just got a new subscriber. So let's head on over to Aweber. And then what you'll want to do is, you see right here where it says subscribers, you can go ahead and click on Manage Subscribers. Make sure you're on the right list, Dog Training Secret. And look, as you guys can see, we just got a brand new person on our list, right? It's saying displaying 1 of 1 subscribers, email doggydan. So it looks like things are working correctly. Perfect. So that about wraps up this video. I will see you guys in the next one.